Hey guys, it's Suzanne Mosley with PaperPie, formerly known as Usborne Books and More. You can find me on YouTube and Facebook, Suzanne Shares Books. Give me a like, follow, subscribe there. You can find me on Instagram, Suzanne_shares, and my website with PaperPie is SuzanneSharesBooks.com. Thank you for supporting my small business and grabbing these books from there instead of other book places. So I appreciate your small business support. I am updating videos for cycle 2 for classical conversations, also just good resources for homeschooling as we go into cycle 2 for 2025-26 school year. These are fine arts resources that you can use. A big drawing book. I love this for the first 6 weeks with oils. It shows step by step and all of the steps that you need. Use oils for drawing, which if you're not in classical conversations, different lines that we can use to draw anything. And frankly, I used this when I tutored foundations for all of our drawing projects. For a little bit older, I love our hand lettering book. It's great for teens, tweens, just who want to start their own. They want to start like a sign business. There's fun little projects that you can make, big signs, gift tags, things like that in here. You can use oils to do the different types of letters and different types of projects shown in this. So this is really a really fun way to do oils for some of the older classes. We move into, after Christmas, I don't have any tin whistle stuff, we move into famous artists. I love our famous paintings resources. This is magic painting, famous paintings. You just paint with water, and I've never felt more like a famous artist than when I am painting with water and painting several of these. Many of these are our CC artists that we use, and literally you just add water and the colors come out. And there's also detailed information about the paintings that are featured. I love our famous painting flashcards. There are 50 flashcards. They are Jackson Pollock. They show you on the back who painted it, what year, where it's currently housed, where you can see it. And then I also like the attending questions. Look for all sorts of different kind of marks. So there are things with each flashcard that gives you the opportunity to engage a kiddo in attending and looking and in conversation about these famous paintings. And then last 6 weeks, we dive into orchestra. I love our first book about the orchestra. Again, I use this when I tutor foundations. It introduces the instrument families. Phenomenal. And there is actually, you can scan a QR at the back, and it shows, it will allow you to listen to the full score. Beethoven is a cycle 2 composer. This series is phenomenal. It's basically biographies about these specific composers. And there are Tchaikovsky, Mozart, Bach, and Beethoven. So it's a great way to learn about their life. And throughout, there's a disc that you can push, and it has, it plays you parts of the different scores of theirs. These are phenomenal as well. So I hope these resources are useful for you for honestly all 3 cycles with classical conversations or homeschooling, or just for your home library. SuzanneSharesBooks.com or where these are available. Thanks, friends.